Hey guys, how you doing? This is Mitchell. Welcome back to Mitch Explores Cruises. So today I'm going to give you a top 10 of tips and tricks that cover a couple different cruise lines. We're not just going to pick on one cruise line, okay? So let's get right down to it, all right? So the first one's for the Princess Cruise Line. Yes, you can bring a bottle of wine with you on the cruise if you want. Now, I want you to also make sure by double checking with them, but you can do that. You can bring one bottle of wine on the cruise with you, of course, right? Now, for the Disney Cruise Line, you want to be able to take advantage of this. In the rainforest room, there is a spa. It's this hidden little gem, right? There's a little spot there for you, but there's a spa in the rainforest room, okay? One thing I want to let you guys know for all the cruise lines, there is a deal with people always rush to the buffets, especially the first day, right? Everyone's rushing to the buffet. You shouldn't do that. Go try out some of the grills or some of the restaurants that are there as well. There's other options because what happens, everybody's running to the buffet, and what happens? Backup happens. People wait, people get impatient, people get frustrated, right? Do not be one of those people. Go to the grill. Go to a restaurant, right? Go somewhere else except for there, okay? That's how you beat that crowd. We're going to pick on the Royal Caribbean right now. So the Royal Caribbeans are great cruises, of course, but for them, you really want to pack a power strip with you. There's some links down below in my video for a lot of things, actually, but you will see the link for the power strip as well. So the Royal Caribbean ships tend not to have many outlets. So because of that, make sure you pack your own as well. So you can have power whenever you need it, wherever you need it, okay? Thing on the Holland America line, right? You can take, get this, you can take a culinary class aboard the ship. Yeah, you can learn how to make awesome meals, chef level, 5-star level, to blow the socks off of anybody in your circle. So yeah, take advantage of that for sure. At this point here, I want to ask you to please subscribe to my channel. Hit that like if you liked the video. Let's keep on going. So something you always want to bring with you, I don't care what ship you find yourself upon, bring with you a reusable water bottle. Very important, I don't care which one you travel on, okay? You see the link down below on my channel there to, is it 2 or 3 good choices there for yourself to bring some reusable water bottles. It's very important for you guys, okay? Also, too, before you book, see, here's a big deal for excursions. There, you get so many, you get so many different experiences, right? So what you should really do, and even beyond the channels here you watch on YouTube, you want to do your own research, because a lot of times the cruise ships will, of course, they will send you to a certain excursion trip, right? And the reason why it might be a little more expensive is because they guarantee you'll come back to the ship on time, right? It's a guarantee through the Princess or through the Royal Caribbean or through whatever cruise it is. They'll guarantee you the ride back to the ship, of course, right? But there are some cheaper ones that are local, that don't go very far from the ship, and you can get a nice excursion for maybe half off, So at the very least, I'm telling you to please protect yourself that way by researching your own trip, research your own excursion. Just don't take for granted you're going to hop on this excursion by, MSC or by Princess or whatever. You want to do your own homework as well for the excursions, okay? That's why I'm trying to let you guys know, because when you do your own homework, you'll be amazed at the gems you can find for yourself out there, right? Another one too, especially for the beach type cruises, right? You guys always want to make sure you pack some sunscreen, a hat, and sunglasses. Always pack those basics, I don't care what type of skin tone you have, bring with you some kind of sun protection, because the sun down there is a little more harsher than other sun areas, right? So make sure you're ready. Bring your sunglasses too, of course, you want to make sure the sun doesn't permeate, doesn't kill your vision, and you want to make sure you're just doing the basics to protect yourself. So always bring a hat, sunscreen, okay, sunscreen protection, of course.